Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys about a subscription service called Beard Bento. Now, Beard Bento is a company that actually, they test out beard products and then they get these products at a discounted rate to sell to you. And they're all products that they feel are really good that you should try out. So if you're new to the beard game and you're just looking to figure out what oils that you should buy and you don't know what you should buy, this is a really good place to start. Beard Bento boxes go for $20. It is a subscription service that you can cancel at any time. The neat thing with this box is you're going to find out very quickly that it's actually got a really great value. So I'm just going to open it up here with you guys. This is what you're presented with when you open it up. Flip this open here so we can see we've got, I think this is some cookies, some panda chocolate. We've got some Ferocious. Then we've got, this looks like it might be some beard balm or butter. We'll have a closer look in a moment here. It looks like it's about a half size, so maybe a 1 ounce or 1.5 ounce. Not sure what this is. We'll find out quickly. I just want to really show you guys what there is in the box here. Then you've got another full-size oil. And then there's 2 samplers in here. So this looks like a full size or very close, and then this is just a little dram of oil. So you get all of this for 20 bucks. Now if this is your first video that you're watching on like beard oil to try or whatever, like usually something like this on its own goes for anywhere from like $12 to $20. Okay, so this thing ended up being a beard oil too. This is also another full-size beard oil. Okay, so that would run for I'm not familiar with the company, but usually anywhere between $12 and $20. So we're already at about $40 worth of products. Then you've got this balm, then you've got this cookie, then you've got these 2 samplers, then you got this other oil here, and this, like, you're getting this for 20 bucks, guys. This is a steal of a deal. And I just noticed now it fell out, but there's like a little Ferocious pocket comb here too. Like, there's so much you get here for $20. Like, I would say this stuff is probably worth let's go, these are probably 15, it's 45, it's probably worth 10, that's like 55. And then these samplers are probably not worth much, but then the comb maybe like $5-10 bucks. So you're looking at about $60 worth of stuff here for $20, guys. Like, let's take a quick whiff of some of these things. So this is the 10th Kingdom beard oil. Never heard of this company. Another great way to hear about companies you've never heard of. I'm gonna guess this is mostly unscented. There's a little bit of maybe citrus in here. Not a super scented oil. This little dram here, I'm not really too sure what company that is. If you guys know what company that is, tell me in the comments below. I'm really interested to see what company this is, especially if I end up really liking the scent. Okay, so this is like I'm getting like a cedar, piney scent, maybe a little bit of mint. I do find that I'm actually a little bit allergic to cedar, so I'm not gonna get into that one too much. And then this is premium oil from the Baron. Probably not to be confused with the Beard Baron. And this one I'm getting some kind, it's fruity. It's definitely fruity. Definitely a fruity type scent, so if you're into that, I'd say it almost smells like Skittles. And then I've got this one here. Really like this. Look at that little like chocolate chip on the side. And then just kind of these lids look really cool, these wooden lids. Yeah, and this one definitely smells like chocolate chip cookies. Oh god, it actually smells so good. Maybe a little bit of coffee in there too. That smells really good. Definitely one that I would try. So this one's from Biblical. Then we've got this Ferocious butter. So this one looks like it's more of a poured butter. It does melt down nicely. Oh, it's a nice citrusy scent for sure. I do like that. This little baggie here, let's see what's in here. So this looks like a Bay Area Beard Co. sticker. We've got Alex's business card for Beard Bento if you want to reach out to him. Bay Area beard company, Biblical Beard Oil. So the company name is Bay Area, not Biblical. That was my bad. And then we've got Beard the Men. I still don't know what this is though. I still don't know where this came from. And there's this little ferocious beard comb. So yeah, if you're looking like a really great subscription service that isn't going to break the bank and you get to try out a whole bunch of great companies, definitely suggest that you guys try out Beard Bento. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. They test out beard products. It is a subscription service that you can cancel at any time. You just dropping everything now. Where'd it go?
Perfect.